There are a lot of ways that you can allow your users to log in. One way being a login form that loads users from the database. That's what we are going to build first. The easiest way to build a login form system is by running a Symfony console make-auth command. That will generate everything you need. But since we want to really learn security, let's do this step by step, mostly by hand. Before we start thinking about authenticating the user, we first need to build a login page, which, if you think about it, has nothing to do with security. It's just a normal Symfony route, controller, and template that renders a form. Let's cheat a little to make this. Run Symfony console make controller. Answer security controller. Cool. Go open the new class, source controller security controller.php. Nothing too fancy here. Let's customize this to be a login page. Set the URL to /login, call the route app login, and rename the method to login. For the template, call it security/login.html.twig and don't pass any variables right now. Down in the templates directory, open template/security and rename the template to login.html.twig. To get started, I'm going to completely replace this template and paste in a new structure. You can copy this from the code block on this page. There's nothing fancy here. We extend base.html.twig, override the title block. Then we have a form that submits a post right back to /login. It doesn't have an action attribute, which means it submits back to this same URL. The form has two fields, input name equals email and input name equals password, and a submit button, all with Bootstrap 5 classes to look nice. Let's add a link to this page from base.html.twig. Search for sign up. Cool. Right before this, add a link with _path app_login, say login, and give this some classes to make it look nice. Let's check it out. Refresh the homepage and click the link. Hello login page. And of course, if we fill out the form and submit, absolutely nothing happens. That makes sense. This submits right back to /login. But because we don't have any form processing logic yet, the page just re-renders. So next, let's write that processing code. But surprise, it won't live in the controller. It's time to create an authenticator and learn all about Symfony firewalls.